Hi, my name is Max, and this is Discount Cutlery. Today we're looking at the Gerber MP600 Multi Tool. This features Gerber's patented one-hand opening mechanism. The pliers are made of a solid stainless material. Features a oxide smooth finish, so it is going to move very freely. The MP600 is an American-made tool. Closed, it is 5 1/16 inches long. Open, the tool is 6 5/8 inches long. The tool weighs 8.15 ounces. This tool does feature a very nice plain edge Wharncliffe blade. The whole tool is made completely of stainless steel, excluding these safety locks. The safety locks are incredibly sturdy and have never seemed to fail. The tool also includes a 3-inch ruler and a 8 centimeter style ruler. The pliers are a needle nose plier that also seem to contain a regular, standard, more normal plier. The little divot inside of the Carbide cutters is a wire stripper. Inside of the handles there is a wire crimper. This contains 14 tools. The first tool we're going to look at is the full-sized file. After that is a small flathead screwdriver, the largest flathead screwdriver, and then the medium flathead screwdriver, which also has a bottle opener right there. This multi-tool also contains Gerber's safety mechanism. This will help keep it from closing on your hands. Flipping to the other side, there's the can opener, a Phillips head screwdriver, a lanyard hole, as well as a full serrated blade. This multi-tool does have replaceable carbide teeth. Those are going to help with snipping things like wire. They do have 3 different sides there, with one little unscrew of that little screw right there. You can actually turn that, and you have new sides if you do bend or chip them. It does come with a leather sheath and does snap shut very securely. It is a very full belt on the back. It does contain this little tool here for unscrewing the Carbide cutters on the pliers. Gerber does offer a limited lifetime warranty on this. That is something that they've always been really good about. According to Gerber, the MP600 platform is the best-selling multi-tool to the US military. It has been for many years. I believe it was issued in Iraq as well as Afghanistan. This makes a lot of sense because through our very rigorous testing, we really liked the MP600 because it performed flawlessly, operating smoothly and efficiently. It held up to every task we decided to put it to. We put this thing through the single-handed action, and it's easy to use, and it lends itself to quickly access these wonderful pliers. We also really liked how sturdy and safe these safety locks that Gerber provides with these is. These things, they're not going anywhere. They're very tough. They're not gonna snap. They're not gonna release. If you liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you would like to get yourself one of these amazing multi-tools, there is a link to our site in the description below. We hope that you tune in again with us next time at Discount Cutlery, and as always, have an amazing day.